Okay, so hi everyone. In this particular video, what we are going to do, first of all, we are going to launch a lead magnet funnels for us, like for our agency, so we can get the some good quality leads, also consultation. So let me do the one by one and understand ki what we are doing to like acquiring the best quality lead, and so out of that, we can also get the what we can say more qualified leads and more bookings, so we can sell our webinar services and consultations. Okay, so okay. So first of all, let's understand ki what exactly we are going to do. So we are going to launch a lead magnet funnel. Okay. So what is the flow looks like? I will show you the flow. So this is the ad. Once anyone watch the ads, they gone on the opt-in page and opt-in page where they fill the forms and they get the access of the like ebook and checklist, and then they got on VSL funnel where we give them the like some VSL video where they can watch and they book the consultations and a booking page. And once they book the what we can say once they book the consultations, so they directly go in the thank you page, and where we give them the WhatsApp group link, so they can be part of our WhatsApp group. Okay, so this is the flow we are going to use. So first of all, we need to build our funnels. Funnel means like opt-in page, VSL page, and another in booking and thank you page. So for this, I am using a Flexi funnel. Flexi funnel is a funnel builder tool where we can build the funnel easily and simple drag and drag. So I'm using this particular, and I will show you that as well. Okay. So I come on the projects, I click on the create, and what we can say, yeah, lead magnet funnel. Okay. So I put my agency name and build which one? Yes, sure. I create this particular things. Okay. So here I have to select the what we can say, let me cut this, no more any distractions. Okay, so first of all, I click on the I'm giving the basically what we can say webinar launch checklist. So if anyone wanted to download this particular checklist, so they have to give us information and see who want to download the webinar launch checklist, like that kind of people who wanted to launch the webinar. So that's why I'm making the lead webinar launch checklist. So I'm using ChatGPT, and I want I write the all the information that I have to launch. And I want to launch a webinar lead checklist for getting good leads. I am using lead sorry magnet funnel. That's it. So this is the flow: Facebook ad, Instagram lead magnet, Instagram messaging, webinar registrations, webinar sales call offer. So basically I'm using I have to change these things. I'm not doing the any webinar, I'm doing the basically what we can say call booked, है ना? So this is the offer. Just we change this particular, we give them the like VSL, nothing else. Okay, so let me do, he's like giving me the like checklist. Lead magnet free webinar launch checklist. Yeah, give me funnel content for opt-in page and thank you page. Yeah, launch your webinar like a pro, download the, this is the, okay, give me a best prompt to create webinar launch webinar checklist using flow. So I'm using the flow, using flow application. I'm creating the image, so I have to use the image as well. So I click on the create projects, and this is the prompt that ChatGPT give me. So I have to click on here, and here I have to set up the images. So I put on the one by one, I need a 4 images. Okay, and I also get it the funnels link, so I have to create the funnel. So let's come on again here. What I'm going to do, think this looks good. I use this particular things. Let's see. Now I'm going to optimize this particular page. Okay, so here is the things. I don't need this much of content, so I delete all of the things. Delete. Mm -mm -mm. Delete. This not look good, huh? So because I have to use this particular things in mobile format, so I have to also change this particular things as well. This is not looks good. Okay, let me do. So basically you are in launch your webinar like a pro. Let me write launch your next webinar like a pro. Launch your next webinar like a pro, and let me delete all the things. Like a pro. Launch your next webinar like a pro. Okay, and another is download the free. This is the checklist. So I keep. Let me check images. Okay, this is not good. Huh? I not like this. What we can say? Not like this one. Give me another in detailed. Also keep simple, not complicated. It's putting the lots of information. That's why uh, it's for producing. Let's see. Once try. Okay, these things happen. So what I have to do, I have to add the form. Okay, so for that components forms, this is the forms. No, I don't want this one. Forms and this one. Okay, and here I put it the 2 to 3 information also. That is phone number. Yes, it's required. I need this particular things. And another things I want website and website or social handle. That's it. See, I am also I can also ask the by profession, but if I'm asked the website and social handle, it's easy to find like what is their like job, what they basically do. So let me delete some things. I think title I don't want. Yeah, I think it's done. And yeah, it's done. So let me delete these things. Yeah, get instant access, everything sorted. What is this? Oh, no, I don't want this particular section. What you will discover inside. So how it will work. Ready to stop guessing. Start. Get. I don't want this. On the content. Frequent ask questions. I can also give. I just wanted to delete this particular part. Here I can. What we can do. Just delete these things also. Already reserved by Myagencywala.com. So let me list this part. Okay, everything is sorted. How it's work. Let me delete these things also. So we have only 3 part. Okay, let me see images are ready or not. This one looks good. So what I'm going to do, I am downloading this one. Okay, and I am going to put this into here. where I can put, I'm putting the here images. Okay, so come on the elements, images, I put it here, click on upload, click on here, go on download sections. This is our image, upload. This is our what we can say funnel. So you can see launch your download the free webinar launch checklist, get instant access. I have to delete these things because I don't think it's available, and mm, 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 this is not for that kind of the person. And also freelancer, content creator, marketer, entrepreneur. It's enough. This is library, whatever you are getting just started with AI looking to level up. Mhm. Give me answer of this. This checklist is designed for business owners who wanted to use webinar to generate qualified leads and increase the sales. Then entrepreneurs, marketers. Mm, 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 Give me headline and sub headline. Mm, Not good. What we can add here? Uh, Let me do it. This not look good, huh? If I I can also be, yeah, it is good. Let me sizing. Also, let me change the button. I put the button text, form button. Okay, everything is good. I think I have to because our bottom color is the blue. So what I'm going to do, I change the all of the color. Okay, so I come here and go on, select the, here is the button. Yeah, here is the button. Yeah, here. I delete this particular part as well because I don't want to like design these things. See, I also going to remove the FAQ part for now, and I can add in like after few minutes, like after running on the entrepreneur, marketers, content creation, business owners. Business owners not going to use freelancer, content creation, marketer, entrepreneur. Mainly this is for coaches. If you see coach, and I can add the some information from here. Another is consultant. Content creator and freelancer. Not content creator, course creator. This is the three things. Coach, consultant, course creator. Is there anything else? Agency owner who? Yes. We can also give them the two agency owners. So let me copy this. Yeah, it's done almost. Everything is done. How I can change the color as well? Let me do it. I hope it's done. Who is this for? Let me copy this. I don't know why this is not happening. What is the? I think almost done. It's ready for. Just we have to fill the form and then everything is sorted. Okay. Mm. See, I have to make the phone optimization because this particular is going be to download on most probably on what we can say on phone. Okay. Let me save and public and launch this. I can all. I have to also check on what we can say in phone. I think this part I have to remove because it's not making any sense. So this is the whole video. Let me public this with the coach, consultant, agency owner. That's it. Okay, so almost button is ready. Let me check. Okay, so finally we are here. I'm already launched all the things, so it's done. I put it the booking page. So I click on the save button, just public it. I click on the back button and here's the thank you page. So let me make some thank you page. I think I have already some thank you page. So I am also adding a page that is booking page. Bookings. Default. Add. Here I need the what we can say some kind of the VHL funnels. So email opt-in. This is okay. I choose this particular one. Come on booking page, click on edit. Okay, all thing is deleted. So here, that's it. So here I put the one video. Okay. So here is we have also like thank you page content. So let me put that as well. Can you also give me booking page content that I give once anyone download free webinar checklist, the free strategy call. So I am giving the free strategy call. Like, see, anyone download the uh, checklist, so they got the free like a strategy call where I can pitch my consultations and our what we can say uh, our consultation and services. So you can copy. Strategy call. Here, I put the here. Book your free consultations. So just I remove this particular part. All thing is sorted. Just I click on the save public. Another thing, what I'm going to do, I put my booking page link here. So if anyone come on this particular page, so they can book call with me. I click on copy, go on here. Book a free strategy call. I get the call to action, that is this one. This one, okay. So it's smart. So just I have to add this particular what we can say video on this particular website. That's it. Okay, let me do one thing also. Let me check. Oh my god, what is this? This is not good because all the people come from what we can say from phone. So I have to optimize for phone as well. So let me delete these things and so let me launch first and then we optimize this later. Okay. So I think everything is sorted. Now we are good to go. What we have to do, our funnel is almost ready. Just I copy this and I send these particular things to design my team. They can easily manage all of the things. So click on the general setting. Here I assign the domain. Here is the domain and click on the save domains. And then I have to come on again here, project setting, general code. Here I have to delete these particular things, update the code, and now I'm going to launch these things. And another, let me check everything is okay. Okay, so I have to fix this particular things as well. Okay, so this is the I put opt-in. Lead magnet. Okay, I put the lead magnet just. This is my lead, whatever. Okay, it's take a few minutes, then it's ready to launch. Okay, so now my funnel is ready. Now I have to fix the tracking, and for tracking, now let me open my ads manager. So where is my? I'm using this particular ad account for now. Let me delete some things. Oh, sorry, I did. Give me a detailed uh, prompt to create a image ad using flow. So he give me the like detailed what we can say prompt to create the. So let me open my what we can say pixel. So we have to set up the pixel so we can track the let me authentic this particular things. This is the yes, it's correct. Another things we have to do, we have the like basically let me put the geo. So now I have to come on the pixel. So let me also note down the all of the things that I done till now. So see, first of all, we are going to make the funnels. Okay. So in funnels, we are making the opt-in page, then booking page, and then thank you page. Thank you page. This is the three step the funnel we are going to design that we already built. Okay. Another things what we have to do now, we have to work on the tracking part. So tracking part is okay, like we are going to set up the pixel so we can track the like how many things I'm going. And also we have to prepare the leads magnet that can deliver on email. So we already have the like first of all let me work on the what we can say leads magnet part. So I can prepare the lead magnet so I can deliver. So this is my lead magnet. I already prepared checklist. So I copy this particular things. I make a new doc and paste these things. This is my version 1 and soon I add the more of the things. So webinar launch checklist A to Z. This is the all checklist. If anyone follow this particular things, so they can easily like launch their webinar. So I download it and so let me upload the asset first. So for assets, click on the flexi funnel, click on the setting icon, and we have to digital assets, create assets, sender name is Raushan Singh, okay, and flexi domain is default, email subject, what we can say, email subject, these things I can write. Oh, we are already get the, I think, okay, so give me the email so I can send people who download this. Also write email so that can come on primary section. See, if we deliver the email and it's not going to on primary section, it's like worthless. Okay. Your webinar checklist is here. That is great. What is that here? And then after, what I have to add? It's very long. Copy and I paste this particular things here. So I think it's not good. Yeah, it's a little bit good. So here I put the first name. So here I have to use the username. It's correct. Let me bold it. I also have to keep this particular in bold. This is the bold, and so here I have to do the downloading link. So for how I can create the downloading link, I think I can, okay, here I can choose the, where is my webinar checklist, webinar launch checklist. This is the webinar checklist. Here I can also put the booking page. So let me copy this particular things from here. Lol. Let's, oh my god. I have to prepare all the things again. No problem. I click on here. Asset name. Asset name is free webinar checklist. Copy. Free webinar checklist. See, you have to do the proper way, otherwise it's going to take some times. Email subject line. I put from here. I copy this particular things. Let me delete this particular thing. And now I'm going to paste these things from here. I have to just keep some space here. Username USERNAME. Okay. So let me bold it. Let me here as promise. Here is the download. I can also make the downloading link. Just hold. Let me capital sorry, bold this particular things. Here I provide the details of the sessions that they are getting. download. So here I provide the booking link. That is this one, not this one, this one. Yes, I can also get the this kind of the one. Let me update the like our lead magnet webinar launch, and let me make the link as well. So I click on the drive, open Myagencywala here. Okay, no problem. Let me download this. Let me upload the here, and I send them the this particular PDF link so they can download. Here, click on the share button. Anyone can link, view. I copy this particular link and I go here and I paste the link here. How can I be? Yeah, okay. CLI, click here. That's it, the bold. Okay. So if anyone click here, they can easily download. So almost sorted. Click on the save, and our asset is ready. Now I come here. Where? So let me check with my data. Okay. So I fill the year Raushan Kumar, RKK. Wait, I put the number of my here and put the website. Download it today. Wow, flow is working good. And if I click here, okay, so I think this button is not going to work. Maybe in phone mode it's working. It's not working. No problem. I will fix this. And let me check my email. I am getting email or not. I think right now I'm not getting. But let's wait some 4 minutes. Okay, so now we fill the what we can say. Now we fill the form, but still we are not getting the email. Okay, so these things we have to check what is happening, why we are not getting, and maybe we are getting in spam as well. I think no, I'm not getting here as well. Can I check in trash? Nothing is. All email. I think I'm not getting email yet. So I have to check why I'm not getting the email. So click on the save, go on the back button. Really sorry. I have to click on the edit. That's why it's not happening. Now I can understand. So just keep here. Just click on here, go on setting, go on connect here. And now go on digital asset, click here, webinar checklist, click on save, go on save and public this. Now I can get the what we can say our lead magnet. That's why it's not going to deliver, you know? So now we get the solution. So we have to connect that particular digital asset with that this particular page, and if you are using any page, so you have to like connect that particular. So now I provide the info and this is my number. Click on submit, and now I get the email. Yes, you can see Raushan Singh, your webinar launch checklist is here. You can see. Oh wow, you can click here and you can download. Everything is sorted. Yes. So let me do some quick things. Cut this particular things. Go back. Open code. Project setting. Open this particular things and go on the edit page. Go on here. Click on setting. Click on setting. Connect here. Digital assets. Click here. Free webinar checklist. Save this particular things. Save. Public. and just publish this search. Now if you fill this particular form, you are getting email at a time. And also I'm doing one thing, I can also set up the WhatsApp follow-up sequence. Okay, so let me publish this particular things. Raushan Kumar, email 6201678 naw.com. Download this. You can see I'm also getting second email. So now it's working. Okay, so our tracking is working right now. Can say, let me publish it, save it, and back it. So our funnel is set up. Now anyone can download these particular things. What next I have to do? I have to set up the, what we can say, I have to set up this particular things, pixel. Now, so I have to set up the pixel. Okay, so first of all, for pixel, what I'm going to track whenever anyone come on, like what we can say, how can I change this particular things? Let me click on the event setup tools. So I have to install the refa formula. Okay, I change this particular thing. Webinar lead magnet. Okay, save. Click on add event. Meta pixel setup. Just I copy this particular things and I paste in, what we can say, in project. I don't know, sometimes click on the update, and now I'm going to track the booking page. If anyone come on the booking, that is the one. Okay, back. So now let me check everything is working or not. What we can say, 952. So I have to track this particular things. Continue, next, done, continue, enter. So now I have to click on setting, and here is the one tool, that is what we can say, open event setup tool. Open event setup tool. So here I put the, because I have to track this particular link. Okay, so you can say it's opening. So I click on track URL. This is the leads. Don't add value. Confirm. I'm not able to finish. So just I track the like URL only. Okay, so just let me open this particular things in menu of the tab. So let me open the some in another, what we can say. So everything is sorted. Now I can launch campaign. I think my ad creative also going to ready. So here is the few, what we can say, few events active in few hours. So just we need to refresh this particular things, need to manage this particular things. This is the event, this is the ads manager, and here I'm going to create the ads. Click on the leads. Today is the 18th July 2026. Webinar lead magnet created by Raushan. We are putting the ad set. Turn off the budgeting. Come here, and I start with the like website. Maximum number of conversion, that is the my goal. I have to select the data sets. Before that I have to what we can say, I have to assign this particular to this particular ad account. So for that I have to come here, data sets, and connect assets, another Raushan Singh verify, add. Done. Now I have to refresh this. So now I can see leads. It's going to be live in few hours. Let me start with 250, and then gradually I increase this particular things. I run for the whole India. Here I select the images. Here is the one. Now I need a images. What is the destination? Destination, I have to use this particular thing. Lead magnet. Keep this. Not one. Here I have put the images. So let me see the. Uh, it's not good. Yeah, this one is good. No. So I'll download this particular things. One. Make it simple with few words and highlight them. Let's see how this is making. It's taking few minutes, but if you have any idea, you can convey them. This tool going to be create that kind of the images. Okay, and I think my voice is little bit slow, so that things also I have to look at. Wow. Pre-download, it's also look like great. So I have a two images that I'm going to use, and let me write the some what we can say. Hmm, write a ad copy. Come on here, click on the setup event tool, image. I click on the upload, and I get that this particular two things. So it's taking 2 to 3 minutes, and then it's good to go. Now I want to use one. Here is the our primary text, and what is the headline? This is our this one. Done. Next. Click on next. I own this all particular things because it's also like AI generated, so it's going to help me. Okay. This is not good. This particular image is why it's showing the this particular images. Yeah, it's done. So let me duplicate these things. Cancel. I just cube duplicate 0 1 0 2. Add images, media. let's prepare all of the things. Yeah, this one also looks good. Mm. Next. Okay, everything is ready. Now we are good to go. And we set up all of the things and we are launching this. And we'll send you the we'll show you the next update, what how many downloads we are getting, how many bookings we are getting, and all of the things. Okay, so I hope you understand how you have to launch this kind of the funnels. If you have any questions related to this, and I will also showcase you what we can say, what I'm doing for the in ads launch. There is a three parts. First is ad launch. Okay, and I think pixel setup is also coming in the ads part, and another it's like tracking part. So I pick the all these things here, and here is the lead magnet setup. Magnet setup. So these are, I will also make a SOP of this particular things. Okay, so I hope you understand this is the practical way to launch the any kind of the lead magnet funnel you can use by using Flexi funnels, and all the same